There are different forms of legal proceedings in Ukraine. The first one is the general form. If you want to get legal assistance, you should apply to the national certified attorney in Ukraine before filing a lawsuit to the national court in different districts. The second one is a simplified form. If you want to get legal assistance, you should apply to a legal counsel or a lawyer not certified after some education of the national universities, and in these cases, you can represent your interests by applying to the legal counsel only in minor matters, lawsuit work. If you want to get more information and if you want to get legal assistance in Ukraine, write to me. Thank you.